Here are two sides of a triangle, AB and AC. I would like to construct its remaining side, BC, so I'll tap the Segment tool. A preview appears of a segment. One endpoint is glowing. I'll tap to attach it to point B. Now the other endpoint is glowing. I'll tap to attach it to point C. But oops, I didn't tap in the right place. The 2 points are not attached. I could undo this step and construct the segment again, but that isn't necessary. Instead, I'll drag one point onto the other, and when the point starts to glow, I'll let go. The 2 points are now attached and have been merged into a single point. Here is another example of this technique. This sketch shows a circle and a triangle. I'd like to attach one vertex of this triangle to point C, another vertex to point A, and the remaining vertex to the circumference. In doing so, I'll create an isosceles triangle. One by one, I'll drag the points and wait until they glow before letting go. My isosceles triangle is complete.